Hello everyone and welcome to the live data analyst job update session. In today's session, I will be sharing mind-blowing 5 data analyst job opportunities for both freshers and experienced professionals from companies like Allen Digital, Ernst Young, EY, which you know, Reliance Jio, Airbus, and Value. These include internships for freshers and senior analytics roles for experienced professionals also. If you are planning to apply, still stay till the end of this session because I will tell you how to access the job application links. I will also share where you can get all future job updates instantly. Before we start, comment below. Are you a fresher or experienced data analyst? And if you want regular data analyst job updates, don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's begin with the first job. The first opportunity is a data analyst intern role at Allen Digital in Bangalore. This role is ideal for freshers who want a real industry experience in data analytics. You will mainly work on data consolidation and data cleaning. That includes collecting raw data from multiple sources, converting it into a structured data set, removing duplicates, and validating data accuracy. You will also create reports and dashboards such as zone-wise reports, city-wise reports, performance dashboards. So these insights will help the company make data-driven decisions. The required skills to apply for the job is you need to have a strong Excel and Google Sheet skill, good analytical thinking, attention to detail, and the knowledge of Power BI and Tableau will be an added advantage. This is a great starting role for freshers who are learning data analytics right now. So let's go ahead with the second job opportunity for today. The second opportunity is from Ernst Young, also known as EY, which is one of the big four consulting companies. They are hiring data and AI interns in Trivandrum. This roles this role belongs to the consulting and technology practice. Depending on the project, you may work in data analytics, artificial intelligence, business intelligence, cloud and digital platform. EY's data analytics team works on advanced analytics and AI projects across industries. Candidates should have good knowledge of Python or Java, SQL or database technologies, and basic data analytics concepts. Students from computer science, IT, and circuit branches can apply. Minimum 60% of academic score is required. This is very strong internship if you want to build a career in consulting analytics. So comment below in the chat whether you are going to apply for this job. Type EY in the chat. Let's go to job opportunity number 3, which is a lead data analyst role at Reliance Jio in Mumbai. This role is for experienced professional with 9 to 15 years of experience. You will be responsible for leading data analytics projects, managing a team of data analysts, developing dashboards, reporting systems, identifying business insights, and growth opportunities. You will also help improve automation and efficiency in data operations. Candidates should have a strong expertise in SQL, Python, R or SAS, and data visualization tools like Power BI and Tableau. You should also understand data warehousing and ETL pipelines. Okay, so let's go to job opportunity number 4, which is Airbus. Okay, this opportunity is provided by Airbus in Bangalore. This role is for data analyst digital workplace. Airbus uses advanced analytics platforms like Skywise, Palantir Foundry. So this role requires 3 to 6 years of experience, and candidates should have experience with Python, SQL, React, JavaScript, ETL pipelines. You will build end-to-end analytics solutions and dashboards that supports Airbus teams globally. You will also help automate reporting processes and improve data pipelines. If you want to work on global aviation data platforms, so this is a really great opportunity for you. Imagine having Airbus on your resume. Let's go to job opportunity number 5, which is a final opportunity for discussion today. It is from Valio. The job location is Chennai. Valio is a global automotive technology company working on mobility solutions. They are hiring a senior data analyst. You will use data to solve complex business problems. You will work like your work will include analyzing large data sets, building predictive models, using machine learning techniques, delivering insights to management, and you will also collaborate with engineering and product teams. This role focuses heavily on strategic decision making using data. Now, I want to know from you. Comment below, which company are you planning to apply for? Is it Alan Digital? Is it EY? Is it Reliance Jio? Is it Airbus or is it Value? And also comment whether you are a fresher or experienced candidate. I review comments and try to bring more jobs matching your experience level. Okay, so now as promised, here is how you can apply. All job application links will be posted in Telegram channel. Click the pinned comment in this live stream and join the Telegram channel. Inside the Telegram group, you will get job application links, weekly data analyst job updates, internship opportunities, and resume tips, and many more. Make sure you join the Telegram channel right now through the pinned link. And if you found this session helpful, like this video, comment your experience level, and subscribe to the channel. I post weekly data analyst job updates to help you land your next role. And thank you for joining this session and all the best for your job applications.